Good afternoon, people. How are you? I hope all people are very well. So today I making the chukandar candy, beetroot candy, and I preserve at least 1 month. So those purpose I clean the beetroot and I a small cube I cut and cut all the beetroot and clean. And now the first process of the going to boil. So I did not boil in the normal thing. I go to boil because this is the very hard. So I that reason I cut the small pieces. So I go to boil in the pressure cooker, and for the candy pizza person I use the sugar, and I use the their inner seed like elaichi, and one to two, at least two and three a small point of the darchini I use. And my process of the making the all candy. So first target I mix the mixer machine. I mix and grinder the all the sugar. So I go to the grinding, and here I go to the boil at least 2 city, not very well boil, because again I melting for the serum, sugar serum, that time I also use, and for the melting. So that purpose only 2 city is the enough for the pressure cooker. So I go to the next process. So 2 city at least done the boiling the beetroot. So at least 2 city they are done. So now I check the how look like this uh, candy, beetroot candy, the boiling process. So you can see easy to they are the end, and you use also toothpick. So first my target, I remove the all the water for this candle. So here reduce all the water. So those purpose I taken this type of pot, and I go to this all the reduce the water, this beetroot candle. So today I making the beetroot candle. So already I share. So that is the first process. So second process, making the candle, uh, making the beetroot candle. So those purpose I use the one this type of the glass I taken water, and I add the at least 2 and 3 spoon of the sugar, because already I uh, mash the sugar already. So I also add this area. So that is the first process. So at least a 3 minute boil. So I add 3 to 5, at least 5 minutes of the boil. So I add the all candle like all the chukandar. So I go to the third and fourth step. So people, you can see this melting for the chasni, and sugar and water going to melting. So in this moment I add the all boil chukandar, beetroot, and at least that time of the making in the low flame, like absorb all the sugar in this chukandar, in this candle. And after I show the sixth step how to look like. So this is going to melting and absorb all the sugar in this candle, in this beetroot candle. So this is the going to low flame absorb all the thing. So people, you can see at least 15 minute low flame they going to fry this all candy, and this is the ready. So in this time what happen, I remove this pan, and you can see all the water is absorbed, this chasni is absorbed in this candle. So that is thing. So that is the ready for the removing, and in this time I add the all already I mix na, I measure and crash the all sugar, elaichi powder, and this thing. So here for the removing purpose, and in this area for the add. So I in this time all the candy in this elaichi powder and darchini powder, this is fill up uh, all the area, and in this plate, and in this time I remove and add the all sugar, because I very less amount of sugar add in this area. So you can see how look like a texture. So which type of people you are making the candle, and this process are good or bad, so you can share your opinion. So thank you so much people watching this step, and I go to the next step. I remove this area. So people, you can see this all the beetroot candle. I fill up the under the sugar floor and top area this all the beetroot, and now and top area again I turn the sugar. So you can see very less amount of sugar I add, all area covered, and at least this is ready for eating, but I did not interested now eating. So at least tomorrow I show the all the process and all the video. So that is the ready. So next process I see tomorrow. So thank you so much people watching this whole video. So that is the last step of the beetroot murabba. You can see how look like a gorgeous looking. So all absorb the sugar. So you can see at least one day full night I preserve this thing, and now today I put it in the cup, one bottle, and at least in behind and underside I already provided add some amount of the salt, some amount of the sugar, flour sugar. So how look like people you are making the beetroot chukandar murabba, so you can share your opinion. So people, this is the final result of the cover, the all chukandar and beetroot murabba. So at least 4 murabba, 4 beetroot, a uh, lot of the murabba I get it. So you can also making this type of the beetroot murabba and share your opinion how to making you or your process. So you can also provide some video, like, comment, subscribe my YouTube channel. So that is the ready for preserves. You can in this time winter season, so that preserve at least 3 months at least you have fridge, so at least 4 to 6 months you can preserve. So thank you so much people watching this murabba, beetroot murabba.